Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage easy mode. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Special Features. Then tap on Simple Mode and select Enter Simple Mode in order to activate it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, click on Settings again. But this time, click on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!